nail lovers! Are you ready to add some Easter flair to your fingertips? Well, you're in luck because today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Easter nail colors. From soft pastels to vibrant shades, these colors are sure to get you in the holiday spirit. So, grab your favorite nail polish and let's hop into some excellent Easter nail inspiration. Here are 10 popular Easter nail designs for 2024. Number 1. Pastel pink, soft and feminine. Pastel pink is a classic Easter color that represents love, joy, and new beginnings. It's a versatile shade that complements a wide range of nail art designs, from simple pastel ombre to intricate floral patterns. Number 2. Sky blue, reminiscent of clear spring skies. Sky blue is a refreshing and calming color that adds a serene touch to Easter nail looks. Whether worn alone or paired with other pastel shades, sky blue nails evoke a sense of tranquility and renewal. Number 3. Lavender, symbolizing grace and elegance. Lavender is a sophisticated Easter nail color choice. Its subtle hint of purple adds depth to manicures and pairs beautifully with silver or gold accents for a touch of glamour. Number 4. Mint green. Mint green nails capture the essence of fresh spring foliage and blooming flowers. This lively and invigorating color is perfect for adding a pop of brightness to Easter nail designs, whether in solid hues or as a base for intricate nail art. Number 5. Sunny yellow. Radiating warmth and positivity, sunny yellow nails are a cheerful choice for Easter manicures. Whether opting for a soft pastel yellow or a vibrant citrus shade, yellow nails symbolize happiness and optimism. Number 6. Peachy coral. With its soft, warm undertones, peachy coral is a versatile Easter nail color that exudes energy and vitality. This flattering hue adds a subtle hint of warmth to manicures and complements a variety of skin tones. Number 7. Baby blue, soft and delicate. Baby blue nails are reminiscent of Easter eggs and springtime skies. This gentle pastel shade is perfect for creating whimsical nail art designs, from fluffy clouds to playful polka dots. Number 8. Lemon sorbet, bright and zesty. Lemon sorbet nails are a deliciously refreshing choice for Easter manicures. This vibrant yellow-orange hue adds a pop of citrusy sweetness to nail designs and pairs beautifully with floral accents. Number 9. Soft lilac, evoking the beauty of spring blooms. Soft lilac nails are both romantic and enchanting. This delicate pastel purple shade adds a touch of whimsy to Easter nail designs and looks lovely when adorned with floral motifs or shimmering accents. Number 10. Creamy peach, warm and inviting. Creamy peach nails are a subtle yet sophisticated choice for Easter manicures. This soft, neutral hue complements a variety of skin tones and adds a hint of understated elegance to nail looks. Whether you prefer soft pastels or bold brights, these 10 Easter nail colors are sure to inspire you to create beautiful and festive manicures to celebrate the season. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more nail art tutorials and inspiration. Until next time, happy Easter.